Everybody's trying to save money on food. It's one of the most expensive things that we are spending our money on today. I'm going to share with you a casserole dish that is so amazing that does not cost very much money to make, but you will never know that you are living on a budget. It's a chicken garlic potato casserole. Absolutely flavorful and amazing. Let's get started. So we have our oven preheating to 400 degrees. We need 4 skinless chicken breasts, and make sure you pat them dry. I've already patted this dry, both sides, because we want our seasonings to stick. We need a 9 by 13 casserole dish, and we're going to spray it. So now we're going to take 2 cans of whole potatoes. You can get these at Walmart. I got these at the Dollar Tree for $1.25. Whenever I worked at a really nice hotel when I was young, I worked at a really nice restaurant, and they would take these canned potatoes and turn them into pure luxury. I'm not kidding. Everybody would devour them. They had no idea they were canned. I did not either till I seen them make it. So we're gonna just pour. We want them whole. You can do sliced, but I think whole really does matter here. So we're just taking 2 15-ounce cans, and we do drain it. We did drain it. So now that we have our potatoes in our casserole dish, we're going to take 4 cloves of minced garlic and put it right into our measuring cup. And we're going to take a whole stick of butter, which is a 1/2 cup. We're just going to kind of put it in a couple pieces. And we're going to put this in the microwave for about 1 minute. Our butter and our garlic, it smells really good. We're just going to set that aside. Now you can use any kind of seasoning you want. If you want a spicy seasoning, or you can just use salt and pepper. But I am going to use a Parmesan and herb that I got from Sam's the other day. And like I say, you can use any seasoning you want. Salt and pepper, paprika, whatever you'd like. It will make this dish so good, but I'm just using a Parmesan and herb. We're going to set that aside, and now we're going to take our chicken, and we're going to do the same thing. We're going to season both sides, and the seasoning should stick because it has been patted dry. Okay, so my chicken breasts, we're not cutting them in half. We want the thickness. We're not going to make these thin. We want them thick. We want our chicken thick. We're going to let this sit just for a few minutes. Now we're going to grab our potatoes, and we're going to start pouring this butter over the top. Y'all, this smells so good. These potatoes are so amazing. I just needed to have, I have not had a chance to cook dinner at all this week, and not even over the weekend. My mother's been sick, and so I'm thinking, oh, this is what I need. I need a good home cooked meal. So now we're going to take our potatoes, and we're going to kind of go to the side with them, kind of line them up around the side. So we're just lining them up and kind of giving us a little area to put our chicken. We are going to be taking our chicken, and we're just going to pop it right in the middle of the pan. You can kind of get it all in there. You can get 4 pieces in there. It may look a little close. Oh my goodness, this looks and smells so good. Make sure you use a seasoning that has salt in it. Whatever seasoning you choose, make sure it has salt in it because it brings out that flavor. Now we are going to put over 1 cup of mozzarella cheese. So we put half, and then we're just gonna pour the rest of the butter over the top. That butter and garlic, oh my goodness. Now we're gonna add in a little bit of dried parsley, just to the top of it. Now we're gonna take and put this in our oven at 400 degrees for 40 minutes. I think I'm gonna spray my foil. I'm gonna spray that foil. I'm just gonna put it so the cheese won't stick to it. And we're gonna loosely put the foil over our casserole, and we're gonna put it in our oven. Okay, that was so easy. So I'm just gonna wipe up my counter here because that was so fast. And when that casserole is ready, we're gonna get it right out of the oven, and that's what we're having for dinner tonight. Just took the foil off of the casserole, and I'm gonna leave it in there for about another 10 minutes. Look at this casserole. No time at all. Garlic and butter, potatoes. Look how beautiful it is. It's like magic. It just comes out beautiful. The cheese is on the chicken. The potatoes are on the side. Now let's taste it because I know it's going to be flavorful. What a beautiful dish. Company will think that you have baked and baked and baked. Now, let's cut it and open and see what it tastes like.
Daddy! He wanted to go outside. He just wanted Teddy.
Teddy!
Teddy!
Come here and taste Grandma's chicken.
Go taste Grandma's chicken.
Juicy. Look how juicy this is. Look at that. You gotta make this casserole. It is so good, y'all. Thank you guys so much for watching, for all my subscribers and all the great comments that I get. I just want to say thank you guys so much. Keep watching. Make this casserole. Save your money and blow your mind. You will never think you're eating on a budget. 4 chicken breasts, 2 cans of potatoes, a little bit of butter, a little bit of garlic, and your favorite seasoning, and you have, and some cheese. You have a spectacular, spectacular dinner. Easy, easy. 1 bowl clean up. Go, make it. You guys go. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. I'm gonna go eat this chicken.